Alright, we're here to talk about the word distribute, which is a verb. And distribute has two meanings on your card. One is to give things to a large number of people, or to share something between a number of people. So, for example, coming up soon for all of you seniors, the counselors, this will happen. It says the counselors distribute caps and gowns to the seniors. That will happen soon if it didn't happen already. So they're giving all the caps and gowns to all the different people. Distributing them, handing them out. Teachers distribute papers to students every day. Okay, definition 2, it says it's often passive. It's often with be distributed, and that's what my example shows, be distributed. It means to spread something or different parts of something over a large area. So, and it's often like to be distributed is like to be spread out over a large area. So, and it's often used for things like, it's like where can you find something? Like a lot of times like something in nature. So like my example is sea otters. You know that the little creatures that they have at the Monterey Aquarium. So they are distributed along the coast of California, we could say. So that means they're not only in one place. Sorry about that. They're not only in one place, they're in different places along the coast of California. That could be an example. You often use it for things like that, for like surveys or something of like where people are located, where something natural is located. We could talk about, I don't know, political Democrats are distributed in different neighborhoods in this city or something. That means they're not just in one, they're across many different neighborhoods, spread out, dispersed. In Spanish, distribuir, word families, distribution, a noun, is the process of, well, it can be the process of distributing with definition 1, process of giving things to a large number of people. Distribution, also with definition 2, distribution is, it describes the way that the things are spread out. So what is the distribution of sea otters like? Are they all in the same place? Or are there more in some places than in others? Why? Well, distribution wouldn't tell you why, but then scientists might study why. Like, look at the distribution of these things, animals, or you could do like distribution of rocks or all kinds of stuff. And why is that? Then they could study why is that? Why is the distribution in a certain way? Distributor is the person or a company that distributes. So distributor, actually we usually say distributor. It's written or, but you say er. Distributor could be like, so let's say if somebody makes a product, they want to sell it, but they don't know how to, let's say I make a movie, and I want to sell my movie, I want lots of people to see my movie, but I don't have the contacts with all the movie theaters all over the world to get people to see my movie. So I go to a distributor, which is a company that gets the movie to lots of movie theaters, a large number of people in different places. That's true with a lot of cases. You have a producer who makes a product, and then a distributor gets the product out to all the people in many places. Other word families, redistribute, distributes to distribute again. So it's like something was given out one time, you redistribute, you give it again in a different way. So now in the election, people are talking about the redistribution. Redistribution is the noun of that. The action to redistribute. Redistribution, the process of redistributing. So like I saw a speech where Bernie Sanders was saying, I want to redistribute some of the wealth, the money. His opinion is that certain people have too much money. We need to redistribute that money. Take some of their money with higher taxes and redistribute it, which means give it again to more people. And distributed is an adjective, describes how something is, you could say the distributed something or other means the thing that was given or that was distributed. Here's a sentence related to English. Online bookstores distribute books very cheaply. So compared to some paper, especially if you're reading e-books, electronic books, that's very cheap. You don't even have to have a physical object moving around, right? So that's a lot easier way to distribute books than moving them in trucks and then you got to pick it up, go to the store, get it. So that can be done more cheaply. You can usually get ebooks way cheaper than paper books for the same title, because it's cheaper to distribute. All right, so that is the end of the video for distribute, and I'll see you back for edit.